I'm on a mission today to help you to know more about the art of tiles. So first thing first, what to expect when you shop for tiles? Let's see. Coming into floor decor, I see hundreds and hundreds of flooring materials. But today, in this episode, I'm going to introduce you one of the most common flooring material, which is tiles. I know what you're thinking, tiles my tiles law, what's so special? There are over 40 types of different design for you to choose from. Let me show you one by one. So for this one is 400 times 400 tiles where you can commonly see in cafeteria and kitchen walls. So next we have these 600 times 600 tiles, which is available in two finishing, which is glazed polish and matte stone. So this is my personally preferred choice because this is more modern that you can commonly see in those residential homes. Next, let me show you a bigger piece of glazed polished tiles. It's in 600 times 1200. It's suitable for kitchen tabletop and is a good replacement for real marble. Next, for those wood lover but prefer tiles, you can go for these 200 times 1000 tiles. It has very nice wood finishing. If you're a new homeowner like me, have no idea about flooring, you can come to Floor Depot. They have professional consultants here to help you.